Hey everyone, so I am back in a different Homegoods location. So this one has a little bit of new items. We have Joyful, Merry Blessed. Of course, these are glass. Let's see, $20. 20. And look at the Snowman Trio. Those are cute. What do you guys think about that? I don't see a price on him. There's the Santa. Oh, okay, don't fall. No. Santa, he's really heavy, but he's gonna tip over. And it's just me today. Okay, here's the Santa. I'm always afraid something would fall, and then I would feel terrible, you know, because I'm filming. So it probably would hit me 10 times worse, you know, like I'm being careless. Noel, $10. Here's a Snowman Felt. We've seen these before for the wine. Oh, these are kind of cute. They're $7. What are they? They're like little beanies with candy cane legs. They do have an elf for $7. Let me bring it out. Those are really different. And I want to get to this. Oh my gosh. See? I want to get to this snowman. Ooh, it's going to light up for $17. That is really, really cute. Put him back. Lots of trees. These are $13. They have little snowflakes on them. Silver, gold, red, and your pinks and purple. I actually like this purple tree. It's kind of cool. And this guy down here is $40. Nutcracker, I like this guy. I think I have one that is silver for $13. Kind of looks like the one in Hobby Lobby. We have that one in the back. Felt Santas. Again, I would pass on the felt. They collect every single hair. Here's a sloth. Little galvanized mailbox and that large deer in the back. Soap pump. Let's see. Is that a candle? I think this might be a candle. I'm unsure. Oh, look at this one. These trees, $35. Nicole Miller, of course, with a star on top. Check out this blinged out deer for $30. Oh, is that like a garland? Oh no, I thought it was a garland. Those are kind of funny. Let's see, Snow Globes by Sleigh Hill Company. Let me get it out for you. Got some felt friends in the back. These are only $15. Oh, there's Santa. He's ready for a picture. What is this one? Oh, how funny. That's a new one. Oh, his mouth moves. He's cute. He is cute. And $25 for these deer. And these trees are going to light up. Tons of trees. $25. So nice. So nice and so different. And that is really, really different. Snow globes. You know what? I have one. I bought from Burlington. $30. Some really nice ones. A lot of glitter deer. Oh, tons of deer in this location. Plenty of stars and snowflakes. These are $5. Oh, here's like the nesting doll ones, which are really cool. Oh, it looks like chocolate, but it's not. $7. There's some interesting stuff in here. The pine cone, the snowman tin one, more penguins. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm afraid to even dig in here. Everything in here is a tablecloth. DKNY. This one's 20. Oh, you know, I think I have this at home. I'm not too sure. Has something really similar that has little trees on it. Oh gosh, see? Somebody dropped that little mini snow globe. Someone's gonna slice their finger. I think I'm gonna take it up. Cynthia. Ooh, with the moose on it. These are 10. These will look really nice if these were LED. Look at the wooden tree. More little wooden ones. These are 7. Oh yes, these would look really nice if these were LED. These are shiny reds. Silver, 17. Really nice glassware, gold rim right on top. These are $3.99, so 4. I believe this one's a cookie jar. It's cute with candy canes. Snowman, $4. I'm trying to get to this Santa one. The Santa is 15. It does have dimpling. They do have another gnome one over here. Home Sweet Gnome. Very, very dimply, if you love that. Gingerbread house cookie jar. These are 15. It's kind of cool. The Christmas area gets really crowded fast. Not as much kitchenware. Tons of snowman heads at the bottom. Oh, I found one gingerbread cottage. Oh, somebody took that out. It's a Nutcracker one. Christmas countdown in the back. Gnomes in pink. Those are 35. And then everything says like Mary. And all the felt people are over here. $40, and that is by Martha. Really cute for $10. Here's a side. And plenty of mixing bowls by the Bake Shop. You know, you get the cookie cutters with it. Let me put that back real quick. And they have this Santa one. He wants you to make some cookies and a sweater print. Those are so fun. These are cute, the little containers to and from. These are $5.99 for a small one. Little tray. And some deer. These have a snowflake print on it. So nice too. Then we have Santa on the inside. Gosh. $4. $4 for the bowl. These are $5. Those are really nice. Oh, you know what? Here's a tree. Little tray with the red one. Also comes in white. Another Nomi guy in the back. And these are $10. And I believe they have a pie one. The pie is going to be $13. There we go. It's a nice one. And blankets, you guys. I don't see anything too new. I see the reindeer, Nutcracker, the doggies. Plenty of your red pillows right on top. And then we're just going to get into home decor. Home decor has been really different this year so far. A lot of elephants. These Ray-Duns, Let It Snow. These are $25 for this black one. Let me pull out the red one. It does have Sherpa on the inside. It says Mary on it for $25. $25. This is a really, really different one. $25. Have not seen that print here at all. They do have some nice bows, like the velvet ones. You get double for... These are $8 and you get double. $5.99 for one large one. Now if you want to get fancy, or put these on your stairs or something, that would look nice. Plenty of bags. You have doggy, Santa, and the boxes. Oh gosh. I just started putting away my Halloween. Well, I only did my fireplace like halfway. I didn't do my stairs, and I kind of just threw pumpkins here and there. I'm like, okay, we're gonna get ready for Christmas. I do want to put up the village. Look at this chair for $280. Then we have this egg chair. So in a different location, we saw a pink one. And here is the white one, $400. $30. The bright red lipstick. And $40. Here's another one. $40. Now this one's new. I haven't seen this one here. This one is $59 and $99, so $60. Like colorful one, $130. Kind of looks like a butterfly. You know what it looks like? A flower mixed in with the butterfly. You know how you get the paper folded in half and the paint smears? This one's $20. That's a new one. $25 for those red pillows. Look, here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane, right? And if you are feeling the plaid, these are $20 actually. I think the green might be a little different. $30. See some beaded pillows, Christmas wishes, a lot of beaded stuff. You guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. You know what? I was looking for little steak knives. Normally Homegoods has like a lot of packets of steak knives, and they don't have it. Actually, the whole wall where steak knives used to be is just filled up with like sponges and scrubbers and spatulas. I don't know what's going on there. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.
Your mom said she had a picture that I could borrow. Well, she buy this for now just to have it, just in case.
Oh, what is that? Crispy onions.